Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. It's a noticeable story. If you are solo stand and can't see other members, then this story isn't for you. You are on wrong channel. Watch the story carefully, then comment. Be respectful and don't embarrass yourself. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Author's note: Dr. Lee told everyone the truth behind Minnie's birth. Everyone was shocked to hear that because it was unbelievable for them. Jin questioned about how Sojin got the embryo without his permission because he had the authority to take any decision about embryo. Dr. Lee told him that he helped Shojin to get that embryo by making Jin's false medical report and proved him medically unstable. Jin's panic attack and devastated state helped them. After knowing this, Jin was more shocked because it was illegal. Dr. Lee told him that he just wanted to free Shojin from her guilt and helped Jin and everyone. That embryo was there. They questioned about the letter which Shojin left for Jin as her final wish. Dr. Lee told them it wasn't Shojin's letter, it was written by him. Shojin maintained a diary during her pregnancy. She left it for everyone so that they all could feel Minnie. Jin became emotional to hear that, but before he could express his emotions, Hobie got the call from the hospital. Doctor immediately called them at the hospital. Let's see what happens next. Jin hugged the diary. Shojin. Hobie got the call from the hospital. What? We are coming. Jungi. What happened? Hobie. Doctor called us urgently to the hospital. Jin. But why? Is Minnie? Yeah, maybe Minnie must have regained his consciousness. That's why doctor called us. Cook. That's the reason. You don't think much. Let's go and check. Dr. Lee. I'm also coming with you all. Don't worry. Minnie will be fine. June. Thank you, Dr. Uncle. Minnie opened his eyes and found himself in the ICU ward. Monitor was showing his heartbeat. Blood line was attached in his left hand's back of the palm. He was looking so weak. His face turned so pale. He was looking at the room with his cute two eyes searching his mama. He scanned every corner, but Jin wasn't there. There was no one. Nurse went to give Dr. Minnie's reports. Minnie sat on the bed and called Minnie. Mama! Angel! Flower Mama King! Flower Kitty! Flower Hobba! Flower Big Body! Flower Titi! Flower Cookie! Flower Long Hair Mama! Flower Minnie! Where go? Minnie Vicky! Vicky! Come Minnie! Mama! Angel! Minnie calling! Tried to move, but the IV needle stopped him. Minnie, stop! Who? Turned to the side and found IV needle was in his back of the palm. and blood was flowing from it. What red again? Tried to pull it, but it hurt him. Ah, Mama! Mama! Mini pain! Tried to find Jin with teary eyes. Mama! Go, Minnie! Alone? No! Mama, no! Go! Mama! Minnie, come, Mama! He pulled out the ivy needle with his all this strength and blood started coming out, which scared him. Mama! Mama! He jumped down from the bed and came outside of the ward while crying hard and hiding his hand. He was running carelessly in the hospital corridor by his tiny baby bare feet. He bumped with some patients and families which were there. They saw Minnie's bleeding hand and tried to stop him, but he didn't stop. He was madly searching Jin. He was checking all the ward, but Jin wasn't there. He bumped with a nurse who was holding the medical tray. Medical tray fell from her hand and Minnie fell too. All the things got scattered. Small bottle of injections broke. Minnie started crying more loudly to see the injections. Nurse picked Minnie and gently held his hand. Nurse, oh, baby, your hand is bleeding. Don't cry. It will be fine soon. Pick the cotton to wipe his blood. Minnie, no! Yanked her hand and pushed her. Mama! 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 No, go! Minnie alone. Ran from there. Nurse, oh no, baby, wait! Don't run! Nurse ran behind him to stop. Minnie kept running carelessly and bumping with others. He fell but again stood up and ran to search his Mama Jin. Whole hospital staff, patients, family members were searching Minnie, but Minnie was nowhere to be found. Suddenly he got disappear. Nobody heard his voice. One nurse ran to doctor who was studying Minnie's reports carefully. Doctor, I have never seen such a report before in my medical career. Minnie's all the reports are normal. No serious illness and complication has been found in his report. I don't understand why he hasn't regained consciousness yet. If his physical report is normal, what could be the reason behind this? I think I will have to consult to a pediatric specialist. That would be great. I shouldn't wait more. Pick the receiver of landline phone. Nurse, doctor. Doctor looked at her. What happened? Nurse, doctor, the patient of PICU, Pediatric Intensive Care Unit, Ward 13 is missing. Blood IV was on the bed. Blanket and pillows were on the floor. I tried to search him, but he was nowhere to be found. I asked to everyone. They found him in the corridor while crying. Some followed him, but suddenly he got disappeared. Doctor, receiver fell from his hand. What? Where the hell were you? I clearly told you to keep your eyes on him and inform me about his vitals. Nurse, I was with him like a shadow. I only came here to give you his vital report. But when I returned in his ward, he was missing. I asked to everyone, but he got disappeared. Doctor, stop talking like nonsense. How can he be disappeared? He must be in the hospital. Check him before he may hurt him. Tell the guards to close the doors and immediately inform us if they see him. Go! Nurse immediately ran from there. Doctor also came out and joined everyone to search Minnie. They checked him in every single corner of the hospital, but Minnie was nowhere to be found. They checked Minnie in hospital's canteen, parking area, pharmacy, but Minnie was nowhere. No one knew where Minnie went. Doctor informed Hobie, and soon they all came there along with Dr. Lee. They directly went to Minnie's ward, but their heart skipped the beat to found blood stain on the bed. Jin screamed, Minnie! Touched the blood stain. Minnie? Yoongi, Hyang, control yourself. Pulled him in tight hug. Jin, how Yoongi? We were late, Yoongi. Minnie's gone. June shouted, Stop it, Hyang! Don't talk rubbish. Minnie is all right. Dr. Lee, June is right, Jin. Maybe Ivy needle broke. See, Minnie isn't here. Doctor must be shifted him in any other room. Hobie, yeah, maybe he regained his consciousness and doctor shifted him in normal ward. Stay positive. Doctor came there. Good to see you all here. Doctor, where is Minnie? He regained his consciousness, right? Doctor, he regained his consciousness, but Cook. But what, doctor? Doctor, he is missing. Shungi, missing? But how can he be missing when you all here? Then? Doctor, nurse came to report me about Minnie's vital, but when she returned, Minnie wasn't there. Some staff saw him running in the corridor and followed him, but he suddenly disappeared. Jin, what do you mean by disappear? He is just 2-year-old boy. Where can he go? June, did you check the CCTV? Doctor, yes, we checked CCTV footage. He was shown in the corridor while crying and running carelessly. But some people came and he disappeared. We checked him everywhere, but he is nowhere. Yoongi, has someone kidnapped him? Doctor, no. We checked the footage. Guards checked everyone who left the hospital. Hobie, that means Minnie is in hospital. T, maybe he hides somewhere. Cook, let's go and check him. T. Cook ran from there. June, doctor, show me the CCTV footage. Dr. Lee, Jin, we will find Minnie. Don't lose hope. Let's go and find him. Yoongi, Hyang, we should find Minnie. With that, everyone started searching Minnie. T. Cook was searching him in upper floors. Yoongi was searching him in canteen. Dr. Lee was searching him in operation theaters. Hobie was searching him in pharmacy area, and Jin was searching him in the wards. Hours passed, but still there was no news of Minnie. By every passing second, their heartbeats were increasing. Now they started losing the hope. Jin was walking and started singing. Jin, cutie mini baby, mama's baby, where did you hide? Mama is crying, mama is here. So what a fear, come to mama soon. Mama is sorry, very, very lonely. Come to Mama soon. You can ask the flowers. Mama prays for hours, telling to an angel, you little dragon, Mama misses you. Tear dropped. Mama is weak, Minnie is strong. Mama is scared, needs Minnie's care. Mama's stupid, who couldn't see Minnie's love. Minnie, my baby, Mama's a baby, please come back. Mama's crying, tears are drying, save Mama fast. Minnie, my baby, strong, my baby. Night falls dark, wind blows hard. Mama's weak, Minnie's strong. Mama needs care, Minnie's care. You can ask the flowers, ask the towers. Mama loves you so much, Angel loves you so much. Mama is calling, soft and slowly through the moonlight. See, stars are glowing. Cutie Minnie baby, please don't hide. Follow Mama voice through the starry sky. Mama is waiting, trembling and praying. Fell on his knees, every heartbeat softly saying, come back, Minnie. Mama is spreading arms, falling on knees, crying through heart, waiting for Minnie. Mama's Minnie, come to Mama, hug to Mama. Mama is dying. Minnie burst on tears while placing his head on the floor. Jin was completely shattered. Everyone was standing there, circling around him. They all had tears in their eyes. It turned night, but Minnie is still missing. Suddenly, they heard a voice. Minnie, Minnie, come, come, Mama. Mama, no crying. Minnie, huggy, huggy, Mama. Mama, no weak. Minnie, love Mama. Mama, no go. Minnie, Mama, home. Sweet, sweet home. Ran to Jin and hugged him tightly. Jin, Minnie pulled him in his arms and kissed him all over his face. Minnie, where were you? You know how much we scared. I won't let you go now. Mama will always keep Minnie to Mama's heart. Minnie giggles. Mama, Minnie tickle tickle. Jin broke the hug and cupped Minnie's face. Are you alright? Minnie, shush, happy. Wipe Jin's tears. Mama, no cry, cry. Mama, happy, happy too. Jin, Mama won't cry. Now Mama has Minnie. Minnie will protect Mama. Minnie is so strong, no? Minnie, yes, Minnie strong. Showed Jin his left hand. Mama, Minnie pain, no go. Jin saw Minnie's left back of the palm where was dried blood. Mama will remove Minnie's pain. Picked him in his arms. Minnie, let's go. Everyone smiled at Minnie's cuteness. Jin brought him in doctor's cabin and doctor was bandaging his hand. Everyone was there. He wasn't crying. He was happily telling everyone about how he got his mama. Jin and Angel accepted him. Minnie, Kitty, Oba, Big Body, Titi, Cookie. Minnie, meet Angel. Angel sweet. Angel accept flower, Minnie. Minnie, Mama, beautiful flower. Mama say, Minnie, Mama King story. Minnie, she waves. She waves, come, Minnie. Minnie, dashy, run fast. She waves, no catch, Minnie. Minnie win. Minnie, she beautiful sky. Mama say, Minnie story. Mama King, angel and beautiful flowers. Minnie, Mama color. Minnie, huggy angel. Minnie, she happy. Jungi smiled a little. Here our souls were ready to leave our bodies, and there he was enjoying and laughing. Minnie, kitty soul, go where? Minnie, dashy, run, catch. Jungi, aren't you tired? Minnie shook his head vigorously. No, Minnie, no tired. Minnie, no weak kitty. Minnie, so strong, big body. Jungi, how does he still has energy to speak? Minnie, no lazy kitty. Jungi, you little chick. Dr. Lee, Jungi, leave it. Kids have more stamina to argue. You can never win from them except defeat. Kids are more energetic. Minnie looked at Dr. Lee. Right, Dr. Uncle. Minnie, where were you? We were searching you from so long but couldn't find you anywhere. Cook, yeah, we checked you in every corner. Minnie, but Minnie no corner. Minnie Vicky, Minnie no she, Mama. Minnie call, Mama. Mama no come, Minnie. Minnie so scared. Minnie think Mama go. Minnie alone. Minnie come, Mama. Minnie hand no go. Minnie pull. Minnie hand big ouchie. Go Minnie hand. Minnie hand red. Minnie hot. Mama no come Minnie. Minnie throw. Minnie pillow. Minnie blanket. Minnie jump. Minnie say, Mama no go. Everyone dibby. Minnie dashy run fast. Minnie cry. So many people stop. Minnie no go out. Mama. Minnie so sad. Minnie say, Minnie go. No go Minnie. Minnie she back. Minnie set back. Minnie wait. People go. People no go. Minnie sleepy. Angel come Minnie. Angel say, Minnie no cry. Mama come Minnie. Angel kiss Minnie. Pin go. Angel sing Minnie. Vicky. Mama sing. Mama say, Minnie come. Minnie dashy run, Mama. Minnie huggy, Mama. Hobie jungled. Here we were scared for him, and he fell asleep in a bag. Only Minnie can fit in the bag. Jungi, because he is a boneless little chick. Minnie looked at June. Big body, she kitty. Teach Minnie. Minnie beat kitty. Big body, no come. Minnie say fight, no. Jungi, you will beat me. Have you seen your height? You are a tiny. Minnie, kitty insult Minnie. Minnie no leave kitty. Minnie eat. Doctor injected him. Kitty. Jungi, so doctor was done. What will you do? Except complaining, you know nothing. Minnie, Minnie know everything. Minnie smart. Big party. No dumb kitty. Looked at June. Right, big party? June, absolutely right, Minnie. Jungi looked at June. What do you mean? Minnie. Kitty no scared, big party. Kitty talking Minnie. Big party no scared. Minnie protect. Big party. Minnie strong. Dr. Lee smiled to see the cute painter and whispered in Tee's ear. Jungi is fighting like a kid. It's very hard to identify that who is the kid and who is an adult. T smiled. It's nothing, Dr. Uncle. Minnie and Jungi hang out a lot. They are either past lives rival or couple. Minnie looked at Jin. Mama, Minnie tummy talkie. When Minnie, Mama, Hopa, Big Body, Titi, Cookie go home? Jin, soon baby, Mama will quickly prepare dinner. Jungi, you little chick, you forget to count me. I also want to go home because of you, stupid. I couldn't sleep and waste my so much energy. Minnie, no. Minnie, no. Kitty home. Kitty meow meow road. Jungi, that is my house. Nobody can stop me to go there. See, I'm going. Ran from there. Minnie, Mama, leave Minnie. Kitty, no, go home. Minnie, go first. Cookie picked Minnie in his arms. Come, let me take you to home. Left with Minnie, who was shouting, Kitty, Kitty. Hobby, Doctor, can we take Minnie home? Doctor, you can. His all the reports are normal, but take care of him. He needs lots of love and care. Prescribed some medicines. Buy the medicines. I will prepare the discharge papers. Excuse me. Left. June. T, come, let's buy the medicine and pay the hospital bills. T, sure, Hyang. Happily hugged June's arm and left. Hobie patted Jin's shoulder. Minnie is fine, Hyang. Dr. Lee pulled Jin in warm hug. I couldn't congratulate you 5 years ago. 5 years ago, you left the hospital with deepest pain, but today you are bringing your bundle of joy with yourself. Congratulations, Jin. You are a dad. Welcome your son to your home with joy. Jin hugged him back. Thank you so much, Dr. Uncle. With that, everyone happily went to home. Hobie did all the arrangements and Jin properly welcomed his son, Minnie, at his home. Minnie helped Jin to prepare dinner by sitting on the counter and talking in his cute broken language. Everyone had their dinner. They were so happy. They forgave Shojin and thanked her for bringing Minnie to them. Thank you so much for loving this story. I tried something new and I'm glad that you all showed your interest and support. Although a boy and a girl can't be identical twins, but to show stories emotional depth, I had to do this because Minnie was only 2 years old. He couldn't call a stranger mama. When he saw Jin, he reminded him his mama's face. That's why he called him mama. I showed Jin accepted Minnie as his son without knowing that he was actually his son, because if he had found out sooner that Minnie was his son, he wouldn't have any choice. He has to accept Minnie. But I want to show that love doesn't need any relation to accept. Jin accepted Minnie wholeheartedly. He wasn't bound. What was your favorite moment of the story? Mine was when Jin took Minnie to beach and Shoyun's grave. How they planted a flower of Minnie's name and accepted Minnie as his son. Don't forget to tell me about yours. And yeah, please don't go without liking and share your thoughts about this story. I did so much hard work on this story. Sometimes the purest love comes from the smallest heart. A child doesn't understand hate, rejection, or betrayal. He only knows how to love with all his being, no matter how hard the world turns cold. Innocence has the power to melt even the hardest hearts. Acceptance doesn't just heal the child, it heals the family too. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. Finally, this story is ended here. Honestly speaking, I don't want to end this story at 13th part because generally 13 number considers unlucky. I started this story for Jimin's birthday month and his birth date is 13. Destiny wants me to end it at 13 even after I didn't want. By the way, none of number is unlucky. Don't forget to tell me how was this story? I added love, laughter, emotions, pain, grief, guilt, hope, anger, hatred, heartbreak, innocence, mystery, suspense, magic of science and nature, bond of family, acceptance. I added all the things which I could add. First time I added female characters. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.